Dear family, friends, and colleagues, my name is Richard Solomon, and this is my life partner, Jackie Sonders. And this is our 13th episode in our video series, Enhancing Human Relationships Through the Fourth Art of the Relationship Skills. And in this episode, we're going to demonstrate a different refusal relationship skill called fogging. Now, in the previous episode 12, we defined and described and demonstrated negative inquiry, which is a relationship refusal skill where when someone unfairly criticizes us, we ask for the reason, the justification for why they are saying what they were doing, such as saying, "Why do you call me that? Why do you say that about me?" And if they can't justify it, then you can always go back to the broken record. But today we're going to go and demonstrate fogging. And we have a handout on fogging, which looks something like this. And I'll talk later about how you can get a copy of it. But fogging is an assertive response that one can apply when you're being unfairly criticized by an aggressor. With fogging, the victim of the aggressor's behavior simply asserts a probability statement like, "You may have a point," or "You're entitled to your own opinion," which usually confuses the aggressor, kind of places him in the fog, and ultimately ends the manipulation. Fogging, however, is never a statement of agreement. Now, Jackie and I are going to demonstrate how fogging works. And in this episode, I'm going to be the neighbor who wants Jackie's lawnmower, which she already told me she wasn't going to refuse, and she's going to respond with a fogging response. So here we begin. Jackie, I'm in need of your lawnmower. My lawn is really requires mowing. Please do me a favor, just one more time. May I have your lawnmower, please?
Richard, I told you yesterday and gave you lots of reasons. I have decided that I cannot let you borrow the lawnmower anymore.
Jackie, we went over this. I thought we were good neighbors. You're acting mean, viciously, and selfishly.
Well,
What? Go ahead.
You're entitled to your opinion.
Jackie, I mean it. You are mean. You're not considerate. You're being vicious. I would do things to you. I would give you, if I could. You are mean and vicious and uncaring and quite selfish, frankly.
You may have a point, but Richard, I have the right to say no and stay by my decision, and you have the right to think whatever you want of me.
Well, Jackie, I am never going to ask you for the lawnmower because I don't know what you're doing, but whatever you're doing, it hurts my feelings, and that's the end of the conversation.
Okay.
So, friends, that's what fogging is. It's not a statement of agreement. But Jackie absolutely refuses to allow me as an aggressor to say mean and thoughtless things to her. And we invite you to practice fogging.
And also, I didn't give him a chance to get into another argument with me. I was firm in what I was feeling because I had explained it to him previously.
Yes, you asserted yourself.
An argument was avoided, much to Richard's surprise.
Right, and you did that very well. Now, we invite the viewers, if you like, to practice fogging with people, colleagues, explain to them what fogging is, of course, and with members of the family or teammates.
Or when a real situation arises.
Yeah, if someone comes and calls you on the phone and you don't want to engage in a elaborate conversation, you just fog him or her. Now, if you want a copy of the handout on fogging, just email me at rdsolomonphd@gmail.com or take a screenshot of the handout handout on my Facebook page. And also, please feel free to share your comments, your questions about our episodes via email, my Facebook page, my Twitter page, or my YouTube account. And now in our next episode, we will describe and demonstrate the fourth or final refusal relationship skill called negative assertion. And we want to thank all of you very much for being a part of this series, and we'll see you next time. Bye.